Welcome back to my channel. I'm former Major League Baseball player Jermaine Curtis, and today we're going to talk about how to hit a curveball. But the things in this video we're going to talk about is the drills. In the first video, I talked about a variety of things. So if you haven't seen that one, link will be in the description below. Go and watch that one first and then come back to this one, because it won't make sense if you don't watch the first video. So watch the first video first and then come back to this one. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what I'm doing right now to help my players who play with USA Baseball, and the things I did to help me to crush baseball and get to the next level, from college baseball to pro and to being in the MLB. So with that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing I do is I use a glove. I put it on my right hand, and this is for tracking. You want to track the ball all the way in, and I just catch it with my top hand. Just like that. And this allows me to slow the game down, and this also allows me to let the ball come to me. What happens is players start to swing at curveballs that are down in the zone, which they go out to get it, as you see me leaning down and looking out here. But you want to keep yourself on your backside so that your head is even and that you can hit the ball. You can crush the ball, which is the ones that are up in the zone. There it is right there. Notice how I'm balanced. I'm getting my hands back. I'm loading as if I'm hitting, and then I'm just catching it where it's supposed to be caught at, which I like to catch it in between my belly button and over here onto my front of my hip. So a little bit out front there, or to the belly button. A little bit back, that's too deep. You want to be right here where your belly button is. Okay? That's a little too high, and if it's a ball, you take it. If it's a ball too high, you just take it. So now you're learning the strike zone. Boom, just like that. If I was swinging, I would be just like this when I hit this ball, and I'll crush that ball right there. You see how balanced I am? I'm on my backside. I got there with the barrel, and now I'm just going to finish through and drive that ball. Bam, just like that. Now, can you lower it? So here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to catch this. And watch, you'll see right now as I try to catch it. Go ahead. You see how you start coming forward? See how I started coming forward? Look where my base is. See how everything's messed up now? You don't want to be here. This is not where you want to be. This is a ground ball. These are the ones you don't want to swing at. One more. So if this was going, I would just do that right there. I'll just watch it. See how I'm balanced right now? I'm balanced. This is where I want to be. This is where I know I'm going to crush when I'm in this position right here. Not moving forward. I'm balanced in between my legs. I'm going to hit. And this is what you want to train your body to do. Leave that down. Now he raises it up. That's a little down. You see how I stay back? I don't want to swing at that one. That's the pitcher's pitch. Now I could have hit that one. See, I'm balanced. I'm behind it. I'm going to drive that pitch. A little bit higher. But that's good. Bam. Just like that. Boom. Just like that. Now I'm setting my sights up here, and I'm not going to swing at those right here. Now, that's where you have to be focused in the game. In the game, you have to be hard-minded, have to be strong-minded. You have to be disciplined. You can't swing, you can't practice on this and then get in the game and start swinging here. You have to know what you want to hit. You have to know what you want to hit. That's how you're going to be successful in this game. You got to go up with the plan. So right here, I'm looking for fastballs up here, and I'm looking to hit hanging off-speed pitches that are up here. If it's down here, I'm not swinging at it. I'm going to take my chances on it, because for me, I get the most success here. And how do I know that? The hitter's log, which I'll give it to you for free. It's right here. I'll give it to you for free, link in the description below. Learn what type of hitter you are. Jot down everything, your bats, your pitches that you see, the approach, jot it all down. You'll learn through your data what you do best. That's what's going to make you successful. Then you practice with the purpose, which means you go up to the plate, you hit off the pitching machine, you do all these things or maximize your success at the plate. Okay, so a few more. Man, I love this drill. I love this drill because as you see, I'm letting the ball come to me. I'm soft on this front foot. I'm not going hard on this front foot. I'm not getting unbalanced. I'm staying back, which is going to allow me to see the ball better because my head is not moving. And it's going to allow me to just be more consistent. It's going to allow me to take my A swing more often just because I'm not moving. The base is the most important part of hitting. If that gets all messed up, your swing won't even work. So we want to have that strong base, strong balanced base. Bam. All right. So after that, I grab a one-handed bat and I take a few swings doing the same thing. And for me, I love using the top hand. I think the top hand is the most important thing, right? Because the top hand creates the path of the swing. So if my top hand, which controls the barrel and creates the path, is going direct to the ball and I see it, I see my hands go direct to the ball, I'm gonna hit no matter what. So I always work my top hand. And I'm trying to aim right up the middle, and I'm trying to hit as many line drives as I possibly can. And I want the ball that's up. I want the ball that's up, okay? Right in this area. That's too high. See, I took it. That's a homer. Got him. Got him right there. One-handed homer. Oh, rolled over on that. You want to stay through. Stay through right here. Don't want to turn this wrist over, so stay through it. There it is. I drove that pitch. All right, so can you lower it? Here. See how I took that pitch? You don't want that one. That one right there is a ground down. You see how I was balanced? I was soft on the front foot right here, and I let the ball come to me. So I'm just like this. Boom. Now I'm ready. And I noticed that was a ball. I'm not going to swing at that. That's a pitcher's pitch. You want to know how you get consistent hitting? Don't swing at pitches that are bad. The more you can lay off those pitcher's pitches, the better pitches you're going to get. And that's the key. That's the key from high school to college to being drafted to playing in the MLB. It's the pitches you don't swing at that makes you successful, because then you force the pitcher to throw it where you want to. As a hitter, we have to control our bats, okay? And that's why you don't want to swing at those pitches. One more. See how that one was up? And I got there. I was looking for it, and I took my swing, my A swing on it. I don't want that one. See how I was down? Bam. I was balanced. And I was like, no, I don't want that. That's not the one I want. Now you're back in there. Raise it. Oh! Got him. Okay, last one. Now I get the bat in my hand, and I take some donkey hacks with this bat. All right, and if you don't know what donkey hacks is, you're gonna find out right now. Ooh, missed that one, but that's the one I want. Probably a little far up, too high, but I'm balanced, I can see it. Ooh. Almost got there. Missed it, but I'm back. Ooh, got him. Got him. Double in the gap. Or, double over his head, right? It's a good swing. Oh, that's not the one I want. See how it's down? It was down. I was hitting on the downswing, and I was out here with it. That's the best I could do with that. I don't want to swing at that pitch. And see, that's the reason why I got a weak result. See, that's why you got to stay disciplined. That's why you got to keep working, because you know, this game's not easy. So, got to keep working, and you got to be practicing with the plan. Just don't come up here just swinging. Know what you're looking for in the game. Know what you're looking for in practice. So you get better at what you're looking for, and you're going to get more success that way. Whew. It's like 115 degrees out here in Tennessee. There it is. That's gone. Got him. Oh, I gotta hit that one. That's the one where you take it, and as you take it, you go, what the heck did you just do? You gotta just put barrel on that one. That one's gonna go. Got him. That one right there, you just do one of those. You go around to the base right here, and you thank God Almighty. That's the one right there. Now let's get some ones down in the zone so they see. Again, we want to look for me, my most success was up here. So I'm looking for that. Nah, you don't want that. That's a pitcher's pitch. You take that. See? You don't want to swing at that. What's the best I could do with that? Actually, I'm going to swing at this next one. The best I could do with this pitch. You see how my base is all messed up? Now it was me trying to put a real legit swing right there. Now it's terrible. It was terrible. Because my base got messed up. You don't want to swing at those. So you got to eliminate those pitches and hammer the ones that are up here, the mistakes. Last one. Can you give me a few high and then we're done? I just want to hammer like 2-3 more of those. Look, that pitch was up in the zone. I didn't stay on it as much as I should have, but I was still able to hit a line drive over shortstop's head or to the shortstop just because it was up. If that was down, I'm rolling that ball over. That's why you have to hit the ones here. All curveballs are not created equal. These are the bad ones. We want to hit these ones. That's probably a little too high. So you take it. Practice with the purpose. I'm looking right here. Ah! Felt good. It's been a while since I hit. Oh man, I'm done. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want your free hitters log, link will be in the description below. Get it so that you can start tracking down your at-bats, your thoughts, everything, right? Jot them down. Get your book for free, learn your data, and then you start practicing with the purpose, and then that's how you're gonna get the most success out of your ability. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.